In this video, you will learn how to remove picture or image background. Currently, you can see here I have an image and I will remove the background of this image within 5 seconds. So let's learn how to remove the background of image. Firstly, I will close this one. Open the Google. Now you can see here I have opened the Google. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Now I will type remove.vg. Press enter. Now this is the site. Now you can see here I have opened this site. I will also provide the link in description for your convenience. When you open this site, here is the option of upload image. Click on this option. Locate your image. I have stored this image on desktop, so I will select that one. This is our image. I will select this one. After selecting this image, click on open. Now you can see here background is removing from our image. It will take some time, probably less than 1 minute. Now you can see here the background of our image is successfully removed. Now go to this download option. Click on this down arrow key. Here you will find two options. You can download this image free or you can purchase the subscription of this site. I will go to this review. Now our image is downloaded. Open this folder and I will open this one. Now you can see here we have successfully removed the background from our image. So by using this site you can easily remove the background of your image or picture within seconds. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.